travelers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Mastercard Black Credit Card. One of the 3 products offered by Luxury Card is the Mastercard Black Card. It has a distinctive front made of stainless steel that has been black-PVD coated and a back made of carbon. The Black Card draws the greatest attention because of its intriguing name. Let's begin with the welcome bonus, which is the first consideration for most people when applying for a new card. In comparison to other cards with similar annual fees, the Black Card is instantly at a disadvantage because it doesn't provide any form of sign-up incentive. The actual card and its proprietary design are described in more words on the Mastercard Black Credit Card's homepage than anything else. Although luxury is a state of mind, people who buy into the Mastercard Black Card's promise of luxury may find themselves having been taken advantage of by a flashy facade. The Mastercard Black places a strong emphasis on its travel perks in its extensive advertising. Although the Mastercard Black seems to be making an effort to justify the high annual cost, it falls short of other cards in this area. Access to priority pass lounges, a mobile app-based 24/7 travel concierge, up to $100 TSA pre-check or global entry credit, and $100 in airline incidental credits for baggage and other comparable costs are just a few of the VIP travel privileges. Along with the standard perks, there are also invitation-only experiences, extended warranties, price protection, purchase assurance for damaged or stolen goods, and a satisfaction guarantee to refund covered purchases when vendors refuse returns. Other perks include an auto rental collision waiver, in addition to other insurance and a concierge for booking event tickets, travel, and other services. With this card, you have 24/7 access to a concierge service and the Luxury Card app. Customer service for luxury brand cards is also offered. Cardholders should expect this card to come with the usual security measures. In the case that you misplace yours, the card also features a chip with a quick card replacement service. It's important to keep in mind that you need a superb credit score, which is considered to be between 800 and 850. The regular APR for this card is 17.99% variable. It also comes with an annual fee of $495. An annual fee is charged by the majority of premium travel credit cards. Even so, this card is more expensive than some of its competitors' cards that offer comparable benefits. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Mastercard Black Credit Card. Here are the pros. Number 1. Lack of foreign transaction fees. Number 2. Depending on the type of redemption, reasonable incentive redemption rates range between 1.5% and 2%. Number 3. Several benefits for travelling, such as a TSA pre-check and global entry credits. Number 4. $100 airline credit. If you have a card, you can receive a credit of up to $100 each year for purchases related to flights. Even upgrading fees and baggage fees for travel are seen as allowable expenditures. Number 5. Introductory 0% APR on balance transfers. The first 15 billing cycles of any transferred sum that you make within the first 45 days of your account's establishment will be subject to a promotional APR of 0%. Only 12 months are offered by many cards. And here are the cons. Number 1. No special deal. Number 2. $495 for each year. Number 3. The approved user charge is $195. Number 4. Only 1 point is available for every dollar spent. The reward rate of 1 point for every $1 spent is low, even though the value of each point received is greater than a penny. In contrast to many other premium travel cards on the market, this card does not offer bonus categories to earn extra points. Number 5. Rewards, earnings and benefits don't stack up against other high annual fee cards well. And lastly, number 6. An excessive balance transfer fee of 3%. We heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. This card makes it as simple as possible to get rewards. There are no limitations on the number of points you can earn, and your points never expire as long as your account is active, in good standing, and as long as the program exists. Other details sadly aren't quite as good. Unimpressively, you receive 1 point for every $1 spent on all purchases. When a balance is past due, points cannot be redeemed. Several conditions in the fine print could result in the loss of points, most of which entail fraudulent behaviour, but some of which are as nebulous as your history of account usage. In general, other cards provide superior earning rates in specialised bonus categories, especially those with high annual fees. A few credit cards that don't charge an annual fee also provide rewards earning rates that are comparable across the board. Buying airline tickets stands out as the most favourable option, even though there are several methods to spend the points you accrue. To redeem flights at a value of 2 cents per point, call the number on the back of your card or use in-com incentives to book a flight on the My Luxury Card website. Other options provide a lower value for your points and include cashback in the form of a direct deposit to a US bank account or a statement credit at a rate of 1.5 cents per point, hotel and car rentals at a value determined at the time of booking, and gift card or merchandise redemptions that vary depending on your gift card or merchandise choice. Cashback bank deposits can only be redeemed for up to $500 each day. The overall rewards earned per $1 spent are at most on par with what you could earn on every purchase with a credit card with no annual fee, even with the high point redemption prices for flights and rebates. With this card, getting the most out of your rewards is straightforward. To gain the most points, but all valid purchases on it, the number on the back of your card or the in-com incentives feature on the My Luxury Card website must be used to make airline reservations to gain the greatest value when utilising your points. Other cards have rewards with a similar value, but don't have an annual fee. However, those cards typically do not provide the same travel advantages that the Master Black Card does. I would give the prizes the card offers a 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10 for the advantages. The overall cost is rated low at 3 out of 10, and I would give the level of customer service a 4. If you want to display your status as a premium card holder and hear a seductive clang when you offer your card, the Mastercard Black might be the card for you. If you're looking for a premium credit card with big bonuses or incentives, the Mastercard Black isn't quite what you're looking for. The Mastercard Black Card is intended for people with excellent credit who frequently travel, who want to enjoy the exclusivity of owning one of the swankiest looking stainless steel credit cards available, as well as the opulent benefits the card offers, and who wants to enjoy the card's exclusive benefits. The rate at which points are accrued provides no added value when compared to credit cards without annual fees, and this card doesn't even offer a bonus. Thankfully, there are numerous travel benefits offered by the card. But it would be tough to recommend this card to most customers given the outrageous $495 annual fee. Numerous cards provide similar features with at least the same, if not greater, point earning potential for a similar or lower annual fee. Nevertheless, the card does come with a lot of luxuries for purchases and trips. For business or pleasure, frequent travellers may find them enjoyable. Additionally, this card may be a good fit for you if you value exclusivity, premium perks, and the sensation of holding a hefty piece of stainless steel and carbon in your palm. A free annual fee cashback credit card that delivers more cashback on all purchases should be used in combination with it if other cards with comparable benefits are available for a cheaper annual fee. It is usually a good idea to consider all of your options before deciding on the course of action. In conclusion, this card can be an excellent choice for those who don't care about points or how much the annual fee is and simply want a beautiful card to make their wallet look nicer. After all, the card was created for a very particular audience. This wraps up my review of the Mastercard Black Credit Card. Thank you for watching, Let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.